everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to rotate the vehicle wheels for minor repairs to the wheels and check dynamic wheel balancing and alignment. By the end of this video, you will be able to rotate the vehicle wheels and check dynamic wheel balancing and alignment. Let us collect the tools, equipment and material required for this. Trainees Toolkit 1, Wheel Spanner 1, Jack 1, Wooden Blank 1, Wheel Balancing Machine 1, Air Compressor 1, Automatic Wheel Aligning Machine 1, Pressure Gauge 1, Soap oil as required, cotton waste as required, wheel balancing weight as required. Let us check the drive of the vehicle, that is four-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. Gently lift the vehicle and rotate the wheels gently. Loosen the wheel nuts and lift the vehicle carefully using a jack. Mark every tire and remove it carefully. Inspect every tire for wear. Inspect the rim for bend or other damage. If the tire is in good condition, then check wheel alignment using a balancing weight. Wheel mounting on the aligner. Mount the wheel properly on the aligner as wheel balancing depends on how the wheel is mounted. Fit the suitable cone on the wheel rim with its conicity on the outside, ensuring that the wheel is locked completely on the hollow sleeve. Press the locking pedal. If the rim is made of light alloy material, replace the hollow cone with a nylon washer. Place the balancing wheel on the shaft and tighten. Ensure that the wheel is in line with the axis of the shaft. Tighten the shaft to the recommended torque. Check for dynamic balancing and alignment. Mount the wheel using standard mounting adapters. Select the required weight location by repeatedly pressing the Mode Select button until the location indicators display the exact location. Set the rim diameter knob as per the diameter shown on the tire outer wall. Set the rim width knob using a caliper. Set the rim offset knobs. Switch on the wheel balancer and spin the wheel. Locate and fix the balancing weight on the indicated imbalanced part. And in this process, the balancer will automatically calculate the weight required. In this video, we have learned to rotate the vehicle wheels and check dynamic wheel balancing and alignment. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.